Hi friends, today's video is about investing in condominiums. Now we have to be careful about a couple of things if we are trying to invest in a condominium. Foremost is I've often seen people getting mixed up and they start treating property investment as their wedded wife. What I mean by that? I mean by that is that once there is a rise, then you have to come out because all the condominiums will go through these phases where there is a traction and then it kind of reaches its peak value. That's the time you have to take a call and come out of it. If you do not do that, then generally what happens is that over a period of time, let's say a couple of years, with technology moving so fast, then the newer technology, newer amenity, newer design, new architectural feature, new location, these kind of things crop up. And then the property that you have invested in becomes not so desirable. And therefore the price drop starts. So this is one thing that you have to be careful about while investing in a condominium. Second is that your acquisition cost vis-a-vis that where you are entering at what point in time. As in, if the trend is going on, you feel there is demand pressure building up and the price rise is happening, then at what price do you really enter? And so therefore it can give you a sense that what kind of flight you can actually have. But it's also very difficult to predict because what kind of demand pressure comes. So the demand pressure comes from two aspects. One is the investor and second is the actual demand. So the spike actually comes from when the actual demand is coupled with the investor's desire to put in money. Then the real spike you can get. So all these things you have to see while investing in a condominium, and you also have to see the location at which your condominium is. Will the location become really desirable in the coming years, and will it actually holds a lot of demand pressure, and for what is the USP of my condominium? So all in all, these kind of things that you have to keep in mind to invest in a condominium. Thank you very much.